Hi, I'm Rebecca. In this video I will show you how you can log into your SmugMug account. So what you want to do is go to your SmugMug website. So you'll need your web address or your site URL. If you type that into the browser at the top of your screen, that will take you to your SmugMug website. If you scroll to the bottom of your SmugMug website, at the bottom you need owner login, and if you click owner login, that will bring up the login box where you can put your email address and your password which you created when you set up your SmugMug website. That will get you into your SmugMug account. Now if you've forgotten what your site URL is, then if you go to smugmug.com, what you need is login in the top right hand corner, and if you click login, it will bring up the login box again where you can put in your email address for SmugMug and the password which you've created. Now if you want to change those details, your email address and your password for SmugMug, then if you go to the top right hand corner of your SmugMug website, you want to click on the profile photo and you want account settings, and here is your account email, so you can change that email address, and you can also change the account password for your SmugMug account. Okay, hope that helps. I do have more videos on how to use SmugMug, and I do have a discount off any new SmugMug account in the description below.